it stunts your growth. Next. 13 I started smoking. What am I? 6 foot 4. The smallest of my family. So it does stunt your growth. Don't look at a bump in the head. Look, pay attention. Shall I do the upper ball joint? Fucking probably get cancer in the foot. It's a shame it's made by a coffee maker, but you still have to put milk in it. Still have to put milk in it. So, track with it, take out, split pins first. If, I'll show you a trick, if, and only if, you can't get the split pins out. I don't know what it looks like, it's on the so there we go. Snap-on says, don't use your tools as pry bars or chisels. I can't be bothered, don't get them. So, here we go. There's the MC hammer. Right. Replace, split pin, throw. Right. Track rod end, 22mm. So you don't have to search for your toolbox. And make sure you use the right size spanner, because you will only slip once and you will bash your hand on the suspension, and when you start crying, you wish you'd have listened to me, don't you? So listen in the first place. Move now. Throwaway society we live in today. If you can't do it like me, like that, use a ball joint splitter, just in case. Don't want that. Someone had wheat bits when they've done that up. So, crack the track on in. Just right, there we are. Now, before we take it out, nothing going on in this garage at all. Nothing to do with glitter, test panels, or nothing. Wicked, that is. Right, measure. Let's see what to do. Measure. I'll throw that through first, shall I? And 32 3/8. Double check. That's complete balls. That's bollocks. 32 1/4 even. So when you go down to the tracking place, you won't scrabble your tyres out, because it'll be roughly right. Right. Twist it out. Just undo the locking nut, and it should come out easy like that. Obviously the driver of this vehicle loves bumping up curbs, because I've done these 6 track rod ends last year. That is a track rod end, and It's knackered, it's got no resistance in it. It's knackered. So, take off the locking nut. When I get it off, file that in the bin. Sorry, recycling reciprocator. Take your little ball joint. There's two different types of thread, a left and a right. What's the chances of me getting it right first time? 0. That one ain't right. Try this. Ah, there we go. Comes with new nuts. Don't put the old ones back on. You can get away with it because they have split pins in them to stop them coming undone. Sell the nuts on eBay. Save a fortune. Important. Lubrication. No matter where you go or what you do, always grease up your hole. That's the radio, that's not me making that noise. You're everything to me. But make sure you get the threads right. If you're getting any resistance, you've got the fucking threads wrong. So, what do we do about tape? We hid it somewhere. Yeah, we did. See all this shit? This is what you need to work on one of these pieces. Right. Now, let's measure so we know we're roughly right every time we do something. It's a pain in the arse, I know, but it gets it right. Because then you know you're always roughly working to what you normally work to. So, 32, and no, we'll go that way even. So I'll just flap around under here with my tape, because it's all scientific all this. Probably do well more. No, go the wrong way even. That's about right. Minimum scrub on the way to the tracking place. Or new tyres, £75 a corner. Now, no washer. Locate your hole so you know roughly where your split pin's going. Otherwise, trying to turn the nut and locate the split pin hole is a pain in the arse. Right, get it hand tight. Pick up the right spanner, which is a 22mm. 22mm. Not a 23, and a 21 won't fit. A 22. Put it on so it's roughly around about there and thereabouts. So you can feel it start to tighten up, giggly. No wrong with it tightening up. And at my age, I love it when it goes tight. Right, now, roughly, when you get it that sort of tight, don't over tighten it, because it is only a little snap off nut, but you know the location of your hole. So, come round to there, get a close up of the hole place, while I get a new split pin. Can you see the nut with the hole in the middle? Right in the middle of the two bits? There, look. There, how about that? There. Can you see the hole? So when you put your split pin in, it will go straight in there like that. And then all you do, because it's lined up, it should be lined up, just tap the split pin in, nice and tight. I always tend to oversize the split pins because then they're not like a prick in a bucket. Right, then always use pliers. bend the split pin up. What LTI want you to do, and so does the carriage office, and pretty much so does everyone, including your mother. Right, I always bend both bits over. You normally bend one up, one down. I always bend them both over like that, so that they're roughly coming back on themselves, so they can't undo. I push it around, 2 taps with the hammer, they're flat, don't hurt your fingers when you're messing around under here. Done. 3 track rod ends here, whee! And a new set of pads. Good discs, good discs. Only use Coventry's, Tony. Only get Coventry's track rod ends, because if you go anywhere else, they're shit and they only last about 6 months.